Hey, it's Tyler from ActiveBeat. My next grocery run includes bananas, and I've got 5 reasons why. First off, bananas can give you an energy boost, both physically and mentally. High levels of tryptophan in bananas converts to serotonin, a chemical that works as a neurotransmitter responsible for maintaining mood balance. Number 2, bananas are an excellent food to eat pre or post-workout. Pre-workout, you're going to get plenty of fast-acting carbs that provide you with the fuel you need to get on with a great workout. The potassium will help maintain those muscles. That leads me to my next point, number 3. Potassium that packs a punch, all found in a banana. Potassium is a great benefit for your cardiovascular health and may help prevent high blood pressure. Not only that, but potassium is going to keep you energized, help you avoid muscle cramps, and keep your head clear. Number 4. Bananas can also provide a means to aid your digestion. The high fiber is going to keep you regular and is easily consumed and is soothing to the digestive tract. Rich in pectin, which is a soluble fiber, it can help reduce your risk of heart disease and bad cholesterol. Number 5, and last but not least, bananas are a great addition to a diet for those trying to cut the sweets or lose weight. Bananas are a great alternative for those who have a sweet tooth. You're not getting a ton of calories like from a chocolate bar or a bag of candy, and you're getting natural sugars for your body. Pair that up with the fiber content of bananas and you're on your way. Do you do bananas? Add your thoughts in the comments and let us know. We want to hear it. If you haven't joined the ActiveBeat team yet, don't forget to subscribe, share, and check out our related videos. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Until next time.